The Premiere Plus embroidery system brings a revolution in embroidery design. For the first time, you can not only see your designs with applique material of your choice, but also create applique designs. Whether you create your designs in the traditional method or with the new computer-controlled cutters. Included with the Premiere Plus embroidery system are many designs that include applique, from these fun children designs to these nice flower designs. Let's use this tulip as an example. The first thing to know before you sew any design out is to understand how it stitches. Click on the design player, which will then draw the stitches to the screen. When the design gets to a stop command, a message is displayed, in this case telling you to place the leaf applique. These messages can be added to in any design, using the Premiere Plus Modify tab. The design viewer then proceeds with the design, applique appearing at the proper time. Now that the stitching order is understood, you may want to change the applique from our sample material to the actual material you want to use. Right-click on the super design. As this design has 4 individual appliques, there are 4 choices. Applique selection dialog comes up with the selected applique in the large view. There are a number of different options to choose from. First is the applique type. Quick Applique gives you a set of pre-made colours to choose from, with different themes and of course the ability to make your own themes, together with a choice of fabric texture. The fabric option lets you choose from hundreds of fabrics included with the system. Or, by choosing the new background option, lets you bring in an applique fabric from a photo you may have taken of your fabric. Or use a photo from your Facebook page by using the picture option. The picture option will again bring up the Choose Picture dialog. But instead of tiling the fabric to cover the area, it will place your image centered in your applique area. Then you can use the special Print Applique function to print onto printable fabric to create the applique. Here's a design I am working on as a placemat, where I have taken a super design applique star and used Encore to place them in a circle. I think it would be nice if a couple of stars were cut out, so the table below would show through. To make it look correct, I need to adjust the background settings in Premiere Plus Configure and set my background to be the same as my table colour, a nice light oak. Now I need to set the Cutout Applique option to the same colour. Then change some of the stars to Cutout Applique. As I do so, I can see the table colour coming through and how my completed project will look. The same technique can be used to show another technique, Reverse Applique. You can even use cutwork needles to cut the stars for you. Premiere Plus comes with 324 applique designs and will also work with your existing applique designs. This design, which is in Brother PES format, has been designed to have an applique for the tree and has a placement line and a cutout line. I can add the applique image, which is also the shape for the applique outline, by going to the Applique tab and just drawing the shape I want on top of the stitches. And now, not only do I have the image of the applique in my VP4 file, but also the ability to create an applique template or a file for a computer-controlled cutter.